Hey guys, well, we just got all done measuring our roof here, and we need to put it in our calculator. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to measurements. We got these measurements here, which is pretty cool. We're going to go to our Google Drive. We're in the holiday lighting folder. You're going to select holiday lighting estimates. You're going to go to 2020 estimates, and then we are where our estimates are. We're going to right click. We're going to put new folder. I copy and my contact information from Service Assistant again. So we're going to paste that. We're going to hit create. We're going to open this folder. We're going to right click, Google Sheets, from template. We're going to go create and share. We're going to go to the holiday lighting estimate master. And here we are. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the top. And again, we're going to put our contact information here. Just so we have it again, we're going to put it in here, right here, customer info. We'll put the number. Okay. Now I'm going to explain you a little bit about the calculator. I'll go through some of the tabs, and then we'll punch in the price. So we got the prices with fixed labor and the price without fixed labor. The price without fixed labor is going to be more or less a number I'm going to be using. So the only number that I really want you guys using is going to be this one right here. We have all our roof LED C9s. Here's where you'd put the amount of feet that you need from Roof Snap, and here's the color of the bulbs. Roof, the color of the bulbs, this is more for reference. We'll get to that, in some one-on-one training. Right here, putting in bulb color is really important down here. Any notes for the roofs we would put here. And then we got our stake lighting. We put the feet we need here, the color, and then notes. Tree lights, you can put like a C for canopy, and that changes the price. Or if you put a W for wrap, that changes the price. So these are different prices depending on what values you put in. And we use this calculator. We'll go into this calculator when we do some one-on-one training, but it's here and it's really cool. We have our shrubs, same thing. You put the bulb amount. You get the bulb amounts from the calculator again. Wreaths, put the amount of wreaths that you need, garland, and we'll do more on this. I know you guys have questions, but for now, we'll go through a couple of these tabs. Price comparison. This is basically just to compare the price with fixed labor to the price without fixed labor. Detailed holiday lighting estimate. This is going to be something that I'll only be using. The material cost is our materials that we use. You guys won't need to be using any of this. And the proposal is the last page where everything's all put out real nice. So we're going to go back to the first tab of the holiday lighting estimate. And we have these eaves, rakes, ridges, hips, valleys, steps, and walls. Well, we put these in the same order that they are in here. So if you just copy these line for line, it's no problem. So we're going to do two at a time. 131, 27. Then we got 31, 31, 72, and then it's 41. So these are all warm white. Again, this doesn't transfer anywhere, but just for reference, so we have it. You can go like this, and then this is for anything with Excel. You just pull down right here like that. Boom, it brings them all down. Now these are all warm. We're gonna put warm white down here. I'm gonna put C9 bulbs on all rakes, eaves, ridges, hips, and valleys. We're gonna go down. The timer's already in here. In the master I left one timer, so we don't need to put a timer. No special notes needed. If we were to want a wreath or something, we would put a wreath here. You just put the number 1 and then worm. We'll just put that just for now so you guys can see it. We could put a wreath above picture window. Okay. So we got a price of $1664.81. Now we're going to go over to the proposal. I guess I need to save this right. Typically we don't have the grid lines. So you see all this right here. We have our proposal. We have customer information, the phone number, C9 lights, the color is warm, the amount is 302. We have no 5mm lights. We have one wreath, it's warm. We have one timer, and then put C9 bulbs on all rakes, eaves, ridges, hips, and valleys. Then another note that we have is put a wreath above the picture window. The total is $1664.81, and we require a deposit of $832.40. So at this point, all you need to do is go File, Download, Download a PDF. And I'm going to export that, and it's right here. So, and it just downloads it right into your download file. So that's it for using the calculator, guys. Until next time.